They're called dumbbells. I guess I walked right into that one. Dear Tim and Moby, what is power? In science, I mean. From Vanessa. Power can mean a lot of things. But in physics, power is a measure of how quickly work is done. In science, simple words like power and work have different meanings than they do in ordinary language. Power, work, and force are different ways of measuring the energy needed to make an object move. Force is any action that can make an object accelerate. It's measured in units called newtons. There are lots of different kinds of force. When I throw this weight to Moby, I'm exerting a force on it. And you've heard of gravity. It's the force that pulls stuff down to the ground. But remember, work is done only while the object is actually moving. Exactly. While the weight was falling, gravity was doing work on it. But even though gravity is still acting on the weight now, no work is being done on it because it's not moving. Work is measured in units called joules, by the way. 1 joule is the energy of 1 newton of force acting over a distance of 1 meter. While you're lifting the weight, you're doing work. But just holding it there, you're not. Well, I know it feels like you are. Anyway, power is one step further. It's how fast the work is done. In fancier language, power is the rate at which work is performed. Let's say Moby wants to carry all these weights upstairs. I don't know why. You just do. Anyway, let's say it takes 20 joules of work to move these weights upstairs. To find the power you produce, you divide the amount of work by the time it takes you to do it. The basic unit of power is the watt, which is defined as 1 joule of work per second. So let's just say it takes you 10 seconds to carry the weights upstairs. You're doing 20 joules of work in 10 seconds. That's 2 watts of power. Now, let's say Moby wants to carry the weights upstairs again, but this time he's in a hurry to get it done, so he does it in 5 seconds. He's still doing the same 20 joules of work because the weights are moving the same distance. But he produced 4 watts of power because he did the same work in only 5 seconds. See, moving the weights faster produces more power. Moby? Oh, come on, how hard could that have been?